Feel confident purchasing your next vehicle backed by Hall Automotive's no-strings guarantee. Benefits include a 7-day exchange, a $500 additional trade-in allowance, and more.
Experience superior craftsmanship, more power, and a sharper chassis in the 2013 Dodge Journey. The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 applies some of the most advanced automotive engine technology. Confidence on the road and yours with 283 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Whatever you have in store, the Journey is there to accommodate. It delivers a best-in-class storage system and features tilt and slide second-row seats, 2 in-floor storage bins, and an impressive 67.6 cubic feet of cargo capacity. All your media needs and interior controls are at the touch of a finger with intuitive Uconnect system and integrated steering wheel controls. The striking interior design and more sophisticated and refined materials make the 2013 Journey as easy on the eyes as it is comfortable. Plus, you can feel safe behind the wheel. Systems like crush zones and safety cage construction work together to protect the passenger compartment. It also comes equipped with anti-lock brakes, traction control, and front seat side airbags. The 2013 Dodge Journey, a ride redefined.
Hall Automotive, more cars, great people. Mile 1 Hall Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, conveniently located at 3152 Virginia Beach Boulevard in Virginia Beach.